it's Chantale from Hot Head Stitches Journal. I'm back, you guys. So I've been creating again, and I will be doing this more full time. So I will probably be changing my shop name, like I've said before. I just haven't thought of a clever one yet. Hot Head Stitches Journal. That all started when I was crocheting, and I was doing hot head stitches for my crochet stuff. I still do crochet, but anyways, off topic, sorry. So I will be changing my name to something more simple. I'm still working on it, but I'll let you guys know. If you have any suggestions or ideas, please tell me below. And yeah, so this is one. I've got another one that I'll be doing another flip through for in a little bit. This journal I made with Edith Holden book and Tracie Fox's wonderful digital kits. I have basic entomology in here and vintage botanicals, I believe, a couple from that. She asked me to be on her design team, so that's pretty exciting. So yeah, let's just get into this book. I've done this a couple times, so the tie is no longer attached, but it will be when it comes in the mail. So this Edith Holden and a little key and some beads, and that will go around. And it's a TN insert. It's Edith Holden. There's some stitching, some cheesecloth, some music paper in the background. I stapled a little trim here. This book is all in yellows. There's a little pocket here. Here's one of the beautiful little cards that Tracie Fox has designed. And there's another little one of, this is Tracie Fox's also. I will link Tracie Fox's YouTube channel and also her Etsy shop below. So if you guys want any of her digital kits, you can go ahead and go check them out. They're beautiful. Okay, let's get started. So this is the front pocket. It's got two little tickets in this little tuck spot. There's some beautiful lace here as a pocket, which this book belongs to. Another beautiful image. And then this tag. Oh, the book is also made with Tim Holtz. This tag is the leftovers, and on this side it's got a butterfly with tea stained paper, a stamp, and the butterfly is from the Edith Holden book that I fussy cutted and inked. So I've got some doilies, paper doily, more tea dyed paper, another pocket here, some stitching here. Here's another one of Tracie Fox's. A couple little tags that I made when I decided to sew around, and you can write on the back if you want to. And then these tea cards are also from Tracie, so thank you, Tracie. And then the butterfly is on a little brad, a little star brad, with some trim as a pocket, lace trim. So we've got a little paper here. There's lots of room in here for journaling. There's these little dangles that are also inspired by Tracie Fox. If you haven't seen her beautiful YouTube channel, go see it. Go check it out because she's awesome. She's got all kinds of fun tutorials and beautiful books. And this one I added a little trim. And this from Edith Holden. This guy has a tuck spot. This is from the Vintage Botanical Kit. Put a little trim. This is from the Basic Entomology, sorry. I have trouble with that word for some reason. A little dangle. Beautiful picture. This is another one. I love this one. It's so beautiful. Little bee, another little dangle, another tag, some more tea-dye paper, some brown paper with a little dangle and a leaf. Tag to write on. Lots of room for writing in this journal. There's a little pin with a little bead on there. And then in here is another tea card, and then I decided to put a little bit of tea bag there that I kept. A trim for a pocket. Another one of those beautiful images. And I just made them, the little ones, into little tags. I put one on both sides and I thought that was kind of cool. Some stamping, music paper with one of her beautiful cards. I added a couple little X's on there. And the fussy cutting is from Addie. Oh, goodness. Abby, sorry Abby, from the Purple Cottage Crafts. She shows how to do this edging so that your picture looks old. And then I inked the edge with Tim Holtz inks. Distressing, sorry. I gotta get back at this so I know how to talk again. A couple beads in the middle. More trim. This guy is another one of her beautiful images. Has a little book that you can write. A little mini book inside the journal. Another one of her tags. Trim. Little pocket here with a T card. And then I just made it with stitched around it with tea-dyed paper that I kind of ripped and put on the back for extra journaling area. Another one here. Beautiful images. Thank you, Miss Tracie. Oh, there's a little pin here too. Sorry, I forgot to show you guys that. Hopefully I'm in frame. Here's another one. This folds out. Lots of room for journaling. This one is a little book. This hangy tag is also inspired by Tracie Fox, and she's got lots of tutorials. Another little area. There's a little pocket here. And then this is a beautiful part of Edith Holden book. Another second little book in there. Tea-dyed paper, a little bit of washi in the middle. Added interest. And this guy opens up for extra journaling. Sorry, a little rustic at this flip through stuff. Oh, not that I was that good before. And then there's another beautiful image from the Edith Holden book that I've put cheesecloth on the back. Pocket with music paper, a little bit of washi at the top. Another beautiful tag. And this is the back, which is kind of cool. There's another one of her beautiful images here. I like this, the back of this. And then we've got two for journaling. And the back is a nice pocket back there. And then here is a nice little leftover paper that I just kind of added in there, and look at the back. I put some beautiful trim. These little guys are actually a little text spot. And this is another one from her vintage botanical kit, and I just backed it on tea-dyed paper, so just so it would be a little thicker because I didn't print it on very thick paper. So there it is, you guys. Here's one of my beautiful journals. There will be more. There'll be another one. I will probably load it up after this one. This guy is going to go in my Etsy shop probably a little bit later today. And yeah, so happy to be back creating. Oh my gosh, I missed it so much, but life happens, and I'll make that look prettier. So thanks so much for stopping by, and I'm back. So I will see you in a little bit. Take care. Bye. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, and I will be back so you don't miss out. Sorry, I can't even talk. So you don't miss out on any new videos. Anyways, okay. Have a great day.